I'm here with my friend Jose, and we're going to be making Italian sausage.
We have 2 pork shoulders here. What I'm doing is just washing it. And Mr. Kramer here, John, is going to bone that one there. Oh yeah,
Not bad.
not bad at all. What do you mean, not bad at all? This is the grinder. You see that little thing?
We finished grinding our pork shoulder, and now Jose is going to show us how to spice the mix.
Right. I'm gonna put some salt in here. So this is a tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of salt.
Black pepper and red pepper too.
All right, just because you like it, we put another thing.
I love the smell of fennel.
This is the hog casing. We're going to wash it. Put some water in here, inside.
Oh, there it goes.
Put the water in here.
Oh. We're soaking our hog casings in water so they don't dry out.
Before we make the sausage, put it in the casing, we're going to cook a little bit just in case that we need to add some more ingredients like fennel, salt, or whatever it is. We're loading it with the sausage because everybody said that the sausage was great. It was good. We don't have to add anything to it. So once it gets loaded, then we start making that. We might lower this.
We've got the sausage machine loaded, and Jose is getting ready to fill the hog casings.
Okay, all in one time. Is this the cat's meow or is this the cat's meow?
It's great.
Look at that.
Now that we've finished filling all of our sausages, we're going to package them for freezing. It's been a great day of sausage making, and I'm taking home 10 pounds for myself. Thanks, Jose.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you for the help.
This one
I
is
bought
a-
3
Action.
Is that upside down, the phone? What's it?
Doctors.
Okay, you guys get out of the shot.
Oh, yeah.
Stand back.
Action.